Welcome to 7 Minutes to Stronger. We all know that Strong by Zumba is a full body workout, but today our targeted zone is legs with Master Trainer Nate Offer leading us through it. This workout is presented by Strong by Zumba.
Thanks, Allie. And remember, no equipment is needed. I want to see you sweat for these next 7 minutes. Okay, we're going to take it down slow and in the middle. Nice and slow. All right, let's add some tempo. Good, keep that head up. Chest is lifted, one more. Now, slow it down. Try to get nice and low. Tempo. Good, slow. Speed it up. We're gonna slow it back down. And speed it up. One more time. Woo. Now let's step that leg back. 4 lunges. Head is up, chest is lifted. 2 squats. Okay, turn back to the front. Let's go again. Good. We got 2 more.
I'm feeling that beat, brother.
Oh yeah, let's go. Make sure every move is synced with that beat. Woo. Okay, we're going to transition. Switch legs. 4 lunges. Nice and low. 2 squats. Let's come back to the front. Let's go again. Let that music drive you.
Ha!
How we feeling?
Woo.
Great.
Come on, we got 2 more rounds.
Woo.
1 more. Let's go.
Yeah.
Awesome. We're going to set up for the next move. Let's put that leg in the front and get ready to travel. Nice and low. 1 step at a time. Keep that head up. Chest is lifted. Switch sides.
Right on that beat.
Oh yeah. Now hold here, hinge over, drive the knee. Now I want you to drive that knee to that chest. Can we take it lower?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You got it.
Okay, we're gonna work our way back up. Progression, let's jump. Or if you want, you can travel with Allie. Let's switch sides.
Pardon.
Do y'all feel that quad?
I
Oh
feel
my
it.
Last one. Hold here, hinge over, drive that knee. Now make sure every time you drive that knee, that it's matched to that beat. Let's take it a little bit lower.
It's burning.
Oh.
Come back up. We got 3 lunges. Now you want to press out of that heel into a knee lift. Really drive that knee to that chest. How we feeling?
We're doing great, man. But it burns.
Now if you want to progress, let's go to a kick. Or if you want, you can stay with Allie. Good. The higher you drive that knee, you're engaging that core. Last one. Now hips are squared, point the toe, lift. But nice and controlled, no momentum. Woo. You don't have to lift high, but if you want to challenge yourself, don't touch that floor. Soft knee on that stabilized leg. Let's add some tempo. Balance challenge. Make sure every time you lift, that is perfectly synced with that beat. Good. Almost there.
Woo.
Okay, 1 lunge. 3 squats, slow. Y'all ready to turn it up?
Feeling it.
Always.
Let's add that tempo. Aurelio, we're going to travel.
Let's go.
You can stay with Allie if you want. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. And let's add a jump. Come on. Woo. Oh, if you're in your living room right now, you can do it. Last one. Now we knocked out one side, we got to do the other. Let's set up. Travel. Nice and low. Switch sides, back leg first. Hold here, hinge over, drive the knee. Really make sure that you're bringing that knee to that chest. Let's take it lower. Do y'all feel those quads burning?
Oh my
Oh
God.
yeah.
Let's work our way back up. Progression, jump. Really stick that landing. Woo! My legs are on fire. Switch sides. I hear you, Allie.
I'm stepping into it.
Hold, hinge over, drive the knee. It doesn't matter what level you choose. You're still going to get a great workout. Let's come down lower.
You guys look amazing.
You do too.
All right, we're coming back up. 3 lunges. Drive that knee. Remember, drive that knee to that chest. You don't want to hinge over forward, but bring that knee up. Engage that lower core. Now, if you want, we're going to progress to a kick.
Let's go.
Hey. Or if you want, stay with Allie. Last one. Now hold here, hips are squared, lift. You want to point that toe and squeeze that quad. No momentum. If you want to challenge yourself, don't touch that floor. Good. Y'all ready to add some tempo?
Let's go.
Now make sure every time you lift, that is perfectly synced with that music. And if you lose balance, that's no problem. Regain it and get right back on that beat. Good, 1 lunge. 3 squats, slow. We're almost at that finish line. That means we gotta go harder.
Let's get it.
Tempo, let's go. Woo! Aurelio, it's that time.
Aha! Let's travel. I love traveling.
All right, y'all, we're gonna add that jump. Jump!
Hey!
If you want, you can stay with Allie. We got 2 more.
We got this.
Woo!
Last time. Woo! And you did it.
Yeah.
Burn,
Oh,
baby,
yeah.
burn. You were the boss of the 7 minutes. Awesome job. Don't forget, this is not a complete class and will not provide a total body workout. For a full class, visit strongbyzumba.com.